Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project two-wheel wired board. So let us see the components required. We need the chassis board, two DPDT switch along with the remote box, two wheels, two DC motors, motor driver, caster wheel, some nuts, ribbon wires, some more wires, battery and battery connector. So let us do the connection. We have connected the motor driver, the two DC motor, the caster wheel, two wheels to the chassis as we have shown in the assembly video. Now we will do the connection of the DPDT switch. Now in DPDT switch there are 6 pins. So here we are using two DPDT switch. Each switch will be having 6 pins and we will number them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We press in forward and backward direction. So when we press the switch in the backward, pin 3 gets connected to pin 5 and pin 4 gets connected to pin 6. Similarly, when we press the forward direction, pin 3 gets connected to pin 1 and pin 2 gets connected to pin 4. So this is how we are going to control our board with the help of this DPDT switch. So first let us do the connection of the DPDT switch. Now take some small connecting wires. First connect pin 1 and pin 6 of the DPDT switch. Insert the wire through the hole, make a loop and twist it. Then connect pin 2 to pin 5. We have connected pin 1 with pin 6 and pin 2 with pin 5. Similarly, do the connection for the other switch. After connecting the wires, now we will connect pin 3 of the first switch with the pin 3 of the second switch and pin 4 of the first switch with the pin 4 of the second switch. Similarly, connect pin 4 of the first switch to the second switch. We have done the connection of the switch. Now we will connect the switch, the pin 3 and pin 4 of the switch to the power supply. So we will connect the pin 3 of any switch and pin 4 of any switch to the positive and negative of the motor driver. So take the ribbon wire, separate the wire. So take the wire, connect it to pin 3. Take another wire, connect it to pin 4. Connect pin 3 to the positive terminal of the motor driver and pin 4 to the negative terminal. Now we will connect the pins of the first motor to the first switch. So we will be using motor pin A1, A2 and we will connect it to this switch pin 5 and 6. Similarly, we will connect the second pin of the motor to pin 6 Similarly, we will connect this side motor to this pin. Connect the pins of this motor to pin 5 and 6 of this switch. After connecting the wires to the switch, now we have connected the battery connector, positive to the motor driver positive and negative to the motor driver negative. And now we will connect the battery. So now when I press the button, the bot is moving forward. When I press it backward, it's moving backward. Thank you.